What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if Galaxy S25 Ultra not receiving MMS messages issue. So to fix this issue, first of all check the access point name settings. So to check, open settings, click on connections and then click on mobile networks. Now in mobile networks, click on access point names option, and from here check all these settings are okay or not. So after customizing the settings, the MMS messages receiving issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then clear the cache memory and data of the messages app. So to do this, open settings again, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and look for the messages app. Now open the messages app and go to its storage. Now first of all, to clear the cache memory, click on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data, and from the pop-up again click on delete. Now after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset network settings. So to do this, open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now click on reset all settings, and then go back and click on reset mobile network settings, and then again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that, the not receiving MMS issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.